Now we all know that if we go to settings in iPhone and if we select Apple account, which is over here at the top, then we can make some changes over here. But if you don't want anyone to access your Apple ID or your Apple account, then you can simply lock it so that apart from you, no one can access it. But how to do it? I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is simply go to settings in iPhone, and now currently you can see I can access my Apple account. I want to lock it. So once you are in settings, go down and look for screen time. Select screen time, and in screen time, go down and select content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that this particular toggle is on. It might be off like this, but you have to tap on it and you have to turn it on. Now once it is on, go down and look for allow changes to, and over here the second option is accounts. Currently it is set to allow, but select that and set it to don't allow. Now once you set accounts to don't allow, which is over here, if you go back to settings, now you can see even if I am selecting the Apple account, I am not able to access it. So let me close the settings. Let me open it once again, and now you can see it is disabled. The Apple account is still active, but the option is disabled. No one can access it. Now, from next time onwards, if you want to access your Apple account or Apple ID, again, go to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, go down in allow changes to, select accounts, and again set it to allow. So if I go back, this time you can see I can access Apple ID or Apple account. So this is how simple it is to lock Apple ID or Apple account in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.